here it is. The footage that everyone was hoping for and waiting for. The GoPro footage from the front of Justin Barcia's gas cast. Between the incident between him and Ferrandis, which, you know, of course, everyone was going to blame Barcia because of his reputation. But let's just say, let's get this out of the way. Ferrandis doesn't have the cleanest reputation either. Might just put in the Craig and him. I know it's a few years old, but still, he's not the cleanest rider in the world too. But obviously, we only had these 3 photos coming from yesterday, which it does look pretty bad. Like, it does look like Ferrandis just got straight up T-boned and taken out. But Justin Barcia posted on his own Instagram today saying 3 stories to every story. His, mine, and the truth. Here's the GoPro footage showing I didn't T-bone anyone and me going off track, and that hit was a racing incident. Which, if you watch it, it really does look like a racing incident. You can see, obviously this is the very front of his bike, so you can't hear anything, you can't see anybody else, but you can see Justin Barcia take that right-hand corner, go to the outside, I'm assuming the racing line, over that little berm, and right as he's in it, about halfway up that little berm, you see the front wheel of Dylan Ferrandis' Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha coming right across. Obviously gives him very little room. You can see on the beginning of the berm, he's taking most of the racing line. By the very top of the berm, he's pushed him completely off track. Which, you know, was there a lot of contact? No, not really. There wasn't much contact at all, if anything. But you can tell, like, he's going up the berm. There's the wheel. Ferrandis pushes him off track. Which you can tell, like, when he goes off track, he lands, hits the edge of it, and you can see his front tire pop up again. Which, obviously, if your front tire's on the ground, you can't turn, you can't brake. I mean, obviously you can brake with the rear, but like that doesn't do very much. But you can't turn, you can't really stop. And when it pops off the ground, hits the side of the track, like what is he supposed to do? He's going straight into a 45-degree corner. Like, it's not like, you can obviously tell this is not a him being mad. This is not a I'm going to take you out from behind, rear wheel, clear out. This is just a full-on racing incident, in my opinion. Like, there's nothing malicious in this. There's nothing dirty in this. And it's kind of sad actually seeing this video, the fact that he got disqualified for this. Obviously, he got pushed off track. It wasn't like he didn't cut the track, quote-unquote, like, Ferrandis was saying and his girlfriend was saying. He didn't cut the track. It wasn't like he got pushed off a little bit, got angry, and just squared it up and just headed straight for him. Like, where is he supposed to go? You're not going to slam the brakes off into the grass, but I digress. I am a Justin Barcia fan. I do think that he's good for the sport. You got to have some parity. You can't have everyone be all PC and, you can't touch. Everything has got to be safe and whatever. I understand. A lot of people are mad at him because he is who he is, but whatever. In the comments below, you tell me. Does this footage change your mind at all? Do you just hate Justin Barcia because he's Justin Barcia and he has the Bam Bam reputation? Do you think that Ferrandis, cut him off and, this is partly his fault? Whatever it is, in the comments below, make sure you tell me. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do because it really helps me and, the algorithm, and we all got to play that game. But make sure to have some opinions in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.